The center of the folded piece you are to use for your piping must touch the edge of the neckline of the piece you are piping. So when placing it, you place it in such a way that the edge of the neckline must touch that center point of the folded piece. Now this is to make sure that when you are done piping, you don't get any result whereby the piece you are using for piping will fold. So if you follow this process and you really know how to cut the folded piece, which means cutting it in such a way that it must be stretchy. If you don't know how to do that, check out videos on my channel about piping. I've done 2 or 3 videos on how to cut and pipe. So the most important secret is just to make sure that center line touches the center point of that folded piece. This is because you don't want your result to have a different shape or a different measurement or dimension from what you intended. So after that, you just do your ironing from the front and the back and you will get a perfect result. Subscribe, like, share, and watch my other videos. I'll see you in my next video.